Question number 2. Do as directed. A. Write a fraction for each of the following. So number 1, 2 out of 5. So this we have to write in a fraction. So 2 out of 5 means total 5 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded. So 2 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Number 2, 6 out of 8. So total 8 parts and 6 parts are shaded. So 6 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. Number 3, 12 out of 15. So total parts 15. So 15, from 15, 12 parts are shaded. So 12 is the numerator and 15 is the denominator. Number 4, 3 out of 7. So total parts 7, from that 3 parts are shaded. So 3 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. Number 5, 9 out of 11. So total parts 11, out of 9 parts are shaded. So 9 is the numerator and 11 is the denominator. Now question 2b. Arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater number. So we have to arrange the fractions in ascending order. So number 1, 4 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 1 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. So first in fraction we have to see the denominators, that should be same. So if all the denominators are same, so here we will directly compare the number. So here all the denominators are same, so we will write the denominators are same. So compare the number. So first one is 4 of which one is smaller? 4, 2, 1, 3. So which one is smaller? 1. So first we will write 1 upon 8. So between 4, 2 and 3, which number is smaller? 2. So we will write 2 upon 8. Then between 4 and 3, which one is smaller? 3. So we will write 3 upon 8. Then 4 upon 8. So this is our answer. Now number 2, 2 upon 3, 1 upon 2, 6 upon 7 and 5 upon 6. Here all the denominators are different. So first we have to make it same. So for that we will take our LCM. So here we will write, here the denominators are different. So first we take LCM of denominator 3, 2, 7, 6. So first we will start with a 2 table. So in 2 table when 2 will come, 3 will not come. So we will write the same. In 2 table 2, 2 ones are 2. In 2 table 7 we will not come. So we will carry it down as the same. In 2 table when 6 will come, 2 3s are 6. Now we will move to 3 table. So now 3 ones are 3. In 3 table 7 will not come. So we will write same. So again 3 ones are 3. Now here only 7 is there. So we will write here directly 7 tables. 7 ones are 7. So LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42. So first fraction is 2 upon 3. So here 3 is there. So which two number we will multiply with 3? So 7 2s are 14. So 14 we will multiply with 3 to get denominator as 42. So whatever number we are multiplying denominator, so same number we will multiply in numerator. So 14 2s are 28. So now second fraction is 1 upon 2. So we want your denominator should be 42. So here 2 is there. So we will multiply 3 and 7. So 3 7s are 21. So in numerator also 21. So 121s are 21. So now next fraction is 6 upon 7. So we want denominator should be 42. So 7 is there. So what we will multiply to 7 to get 42? So 2 and 3. So first we will multiply 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6. So 7 6 are 42. In numerator also we will multiply the same. 6 6 are 36. Now next fraction is 5 upon 6. So we want denominator should be 42. So 6 is there. So 2 3s are 6. So which number is left? 7. So we will multiply 7 to 6 to get denominator 42. So in numerator also we will multiply 7. So 5 7s are 35. Now see, all the denominators become same. So we will write the fractions. So that is 28 upon 42, then 21 upon 42, then 36 upon 42 and 35 upon 42. Now we have to arrange in a ascending order. Ascending means smaller to greater number. So all the denominators are now same. So now we will compare the numerators. So 28, 21, 36, 35. Which one is the smallest? That is 21 upon 42 is the smallest. So first we will write that. Then between 28, 36, 35. Which one is the smallest? 28. So we will write 28 upon 42. Then between 36 and 35, 35 upon 42. Then 36 upon 42. So now we will write here. Now 21 upon 42 is whose answer? 21 upon 42, that is 1 upon 2. So we will write here 1 upon 2. This is our main answer. Okay. Now 28 upon 42 is whose answer? So 28 upon 42, that is 2 upon 3. Then 35 upon 42, so that is 5 upon 6. Then 36 upon 42, that is 6 upon 7. So this is our answer. Now number 3, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 3, 7 upon 9 and 4 upon 12. So here also all the denominators are different. So first we will make it same. So here we will write, here the denominators are different. So first we take LCM of 5, 3, 9, 12. So we will take out LCM 5, 3, 9 and 12. So we will start with 2 table. So 2 table 5 will not come, so we will write as same. So in 2 table 3 also will not come, 9 also will not come, 12 will come, 2 6 12. Then again we will take 2 table, 2 3s 6. Now we will take 3 table, 3 1s 3, 3 3s 9 and 3 1s 3. So now we will do with 3 table, 3 1s 3. So now we will take 5 table, 5 1s 5. So here LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So equal to 2 2s 4, 4 3s 12, 12 3s 36, 36 5s 5 6s 30. So 5 3s 15, 15 plus 3 18. So we will get 180 as a LCM. So now first fraction is 1 upon 5. So we want your denominator should be 180. So here 5 is there. So we will multiply 2 2s 4, 4 3s 12, 12 3s 36. So we will multiply 36 to 5 to get denominator as a 180. So in numerator also we will multiply by 36. So 136 is 36. Now second fraction 2 upon 3. So 180. So here 3 is there. So we will multiply 2 2s 4, 4 3s 12, 12 5s 60. So to 3 we will multiply 60. In numerator also we will multiply by 60. So 3 60s are 180 and 2 60s are 120. Now next fraction is 7 upon 9 equal to 180 we want as a denominator. So 3 3s are 9. So this we will leave and remaining all we will multiply. 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So in numerator also by 20. So 7 20s are 140. Now next fraction is 4 upon 12. So we want denominator as a 180. So 12 there. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So we will multiply which number is left? 3 and 5. So 3 5s are 15. So 12 15s are 180. In numerator also we will multiply by 15. So 4 15s are 60. Now we will write the fractions. 36 upon 180, 120 upon 180, 140 upon 180, then 60 upon 180. So first we will make this in ascending order. So between 36, 120, 140, 60, which one is smallest? 36. So we will write 36 upon 180. So then between 120, 140 and 60, which one is smallest? 60 upon 180. Then between 120 and 140, so 120 upon 180. Then we will write 140 upon 180. So 36 upon 180 is whose answer? That is 1 upon 5. So we will write here 1 upon 5. Then 60 upon 180 is whose answer? That is 4 upon 12. Then 120 upon 180, so that is 2 upon 3. Then 140 upon 180, that is 7 upon 9. So this is our answer. Now number 4, 16 upon 25, 4 upon 5, 9 upon 10 and 13 upon 15. So here first all the denominators are different, so we have to make that same. So we will write here denominators are different. So first we take LCM of denominator 25, 5, 10 and 15. So first we will start with 2 table. So in 2 table 25 will not come, so we will write carry down same. In 5 also will not come. In 2 table 10 will come, so 2 5s are 10. So 15 we will carry down same. So now we will move to 3 table. In 3 table 25 will not come, so we will write same. Then 5 also will not come. Then same way 5 also will not come. In 3 table 15 when it will come? 3 5s are 15. So now we will move to 5 table. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1s are 5 1s are. Then 5 1s are 5. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 5s are 150. So our first fraction is 16 upon 25. So first we will write 16 upon 25. So we want your denominator should be 150. So 5 5s are 25. So which numbers are left? 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6. So 25 6 are 150. Then in numerator also we will multiply by 6. So 16 6 are 96. Then second fraction is 4 upon 5. So we want your denominator should be 150. So 5 is there. So remaining all number we will take. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So 5 30 is 150, and same way numerator also we will multiply by 30. So 4 30 is 4 zeros is 0, 4 3 is 12, 120. Now third fraction is 9 upon 10. So we want your denominator should be 150. So 10 is there. So 2 5 is 10. So remaining two number we will take 3 and 5. So 3 5 is 15. So 10 15 is 150 and 9 15 is 135. Now next fraction is 13 upon 15. 13 upon 15. So we want your denominator should be 150. So 15 means 5 3 is 15. So remaining 5 and 2 we will take. So 5 2 is 10. So 15 10 is 150. And same way in numerator also we will multiply by 10. So 13 10 is 130. Now see all the denominators become same. Okay, 150. So we will now write the fraction. 96 upon 150. 120 upon 150, 135 upon 150, and 130 upon 150. Now we will write the ascending order of this fraction. So now all the denominator becomes same. So we will compare the numerator. So 96, 120, 135 and 130. Which one is smallest? 96 upon 150. Now between 120, 135, 130, which one is smallest? 120 upon 150. Then between 135 and 130, so that is 130 upon 150, then 135 upon 150. Now we will write the answer. So 96 upon 150, that is whose answer? That is 16 upon 25. So 16 upon 25. Then 120 upon 150. So that is a 4 upon 5. Then 130 upon 150. That is of 13 upon 15. Next 135 upon 150. So that is 9 upon 10. So this is our answer. Now number 5, 7 upon 4, 8 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 8. Here also all the denominators are different. So first we have to make it same. For that we will take LCM. So we will write here denominators are different. So first we take LCM of 4, 3, 2, 8. So first we will start with 2 table. 2 2 is 4, and 2 table 3 will not come, so we will carry down it same. Then 2 1 is 2, then 2 4 is 8. Then again we will start with 2 table. 2 1 is 2, 3 will not come, 2 2 is 4. Then again 2 is there, so we will take 2 table. 2 1 is 2. Then 3 table, 3 1 is 3. So now LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So first fraction is 7 upon 4. So we want your denominator should be 24. So 2 2 is 4, remaining 2 and 3. So we will multiply 2 3 is 6. So 4 6 is 24. Same way numerator also we will multiply by 6. 7 6 is 42. The next fraction is 8 upon 3. So we want denominator should be 24. So 3 is there. So remaining all number we will take. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So 3 8 is 24. Same way numerator also 8 8 is 64. So third fraction 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. So you want denominator should be 24. So 2. So remaining all number we will take. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So 2 12s are 24. In numerator also 3 12s are 36. The next fraction 5 upon 8. So we want denominator should be 24. So 8. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So which number is left? 3. So we will multiply by 3. So 8 3s are 24. Same way 5 3s are 15. Now all the denominator becomes same. So we will write the fraction 42 upon 24, 64 upon 24, 36 upon 24, 15 upon 24. Now first we will make it in ascending order. So we will compare now numerator 42, 64, 36, 15. Which one is smallest? 15. So 15 upon 24. Then between 42, 64, 36, which one is smallest? Yes, 36 upon 24. Now between 42 and 64, so 42 upon 24, then 64 upon 24. Now 15 upon 24 is whose answer? 15 upon 24, that is 5 upon 8. So 5 upon 8. Now 36 upon 24, 36 upon 24, that is 3 upon 2. Then 42 upon 24, so that is 7 upon 4. And 64 upon 24, so 64 upon 24, that is 8 upon 3. So this is our answer.